Good morning, little girl. Good morning, Sophia. Are you trying to roll over this morning, huh? Are you trying to roll over? It's not easy. Oh. Oh, you're moving. Okay. Hi. You rolled back. You rolled back on your back. Don't get upset. It's not easy to roll. You going that way now? It's not easy to roll over. You gotta be really strong. Yeah. I know. It takes a lot of muscles. It takes a lot of muscles to roll over. It's not easy. You'll do it. You'll get it. You'll get there. Don't worry. You can take a little break and suck on your thumb for a minute. Does that make you feel better? Did that make you feel better? I love you. I love you. You're doing a good job. You're doing a real good job. Yes, you are. Whoa, whoa, you almost did it. Yeah. You almost did it, didn't you? Huh? Yeah, look at you. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Look at you. You're almost there, little one. Now you're stuck. It's that hand. This hand always is the hard one. Huh? Learning to pull that hand through. That's always the hard part. Your sister had a hard time doing it too. Oh my goodness. Oh my. You're almost rolling over. Oh my, look at you. Oh, Sophia, Mama's so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You're using your shirt. Oh my goodness, look at you. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, kiddo. I know you can do it. Yeah. Yeah. You can do it. You're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there, sweetheart. Uh-oh, you got a little spit up. You got a little spit up. You getting tired? Getting tired. Yeah. You can do it. Okay, okay. It's that hand. It's always hard to roll over with that hand in the way. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. You're almost there. You're almost there. You can do it. You can do it. I know. You can do it. Aww. You're Take a little break, sweetheart. There you go. Take a break. You're pretty much laying on your belly. You just gotta learn how to get that arm through, huh? That's not easy to learn. You're doing a good job. You are. You're doing a real good job. Who's my big baby? Who's growing up? Who's my sweet little Sophia? Are you getting big? You're growing up on me. Oh. I love you. I love you, little sweet baby. I love you. Somebody tired herself out. Okay. You can nap like that, huh? Is that comfy? I love you, sweet girl. That was a very nice try. Pretty much rolled over, kiddo. Yes, you did. You'll figure out how to get that arm through. Yes, you will. Okay. Say bye-bye to everybody. There's my sweetness.